In this video, I'm going to give you the ultimate guide to Amazon FBA selling. So grab a pen and paper and let's dive right into it. Before we get started, let's quickly break down what FBA stands for. FBA stands for Fulfilled by Amazon. It's a program where Amazon takes care of all the logistics and customer service for your products. You send inventory to Amazon's fulfillment centers and they handle storage, packaging, shipping, and even customer returns. Now let's begin with the first step in our ultimate guide to Amazon FBA selling. The first and the most crucial step in starting your Amazon FBA business is finding a profitable product to sell. In this section, I'll guide you through the process of product research and selection. Product research is the foundation of a successful Amazon FBA business. I'll show you some powerful strategies and tools to identify lucrative product opportunities, assess competition, and understand market demand. I'll discuss popular tools like Jungle Scout, Helium 10, and Viral Launch, and I'll also show you how to use them effectively to find the right products for your business. And no, this is not a sponsored video, so whatever I tell you here is going to be what I learned by using these tools. Once you have a list of potential products, it's important to analyze the competition. I'll teach you how to evaluate the strength of your competitors, identify their weaknesses, and find unique selling points for your own product. Remember, differentiation is key to success on Amazon, and I'll provide you with actionable tips to stand out from the crowd. You can use popular tools like Jungle Scout, Helium 10, and Viral Launch. These tools essentially do the same thing, but the only difference between them will be the accuracy of the data. So you can use these tools to identify what products are doing well in the market, how much of a revenue are they generating, and what kind of competition is a product facing, so that you can make an informed decision on if you would like to sell the product or not. So after you make your analysis, and once you have a list of potential products, it is important to analyze the competition. So you have to identify your competition, identify the weaknesses of your competition, and find the unique selling points for your own products. Congratulations on finding your first product. Now it's time to source it. In this section, I'll talk about how to source the product from different sourcing options and help you choose the right one for your business. One of the first decisions you'll have to make is whether to source your products domestically or overseas. Of course, there are pros and cons with each option, so you're going to have to find a reliable supplier to deal with it. Once you decide if you would like to source your products domestically or overseas, you'll have to learn negotiation strategies to integrate it with the sourcing so you can get the best prices and quality from your suppliers. Private labeling is a popular strategy among successful Amazon FBA sellers. In a nutshell, private labeling basically means that you source a product from a supplier and you ask the supplier to brand the product on your own branding. Meaning, now you're going to become a brand owner, and this will also contribute to the product differentiation to sell unique products in the market. Now that you have your products ready, it's time to optimize your product listings and maximize visibility and conversion. It is important that you follow best practices to optimize your product listings and increase your chances of getting more sales. I've also made a step-by-step tutorial on this video earlier, so make sure to watch that video after you finish watching this video. Optimizing your listings also includes keyword research. Keyword research is essential for ensuring your product appears in relevant search results. For example, if your customers are looking for a product or a similar product that you sell, the objective here is that your products should show up in their search page. So make sure that you incorporate high traffic keywords that target your customers who are using the search terms for the products that you sell. For generating keywords and making sure that you optimize your product listings, you can also use some tools online to generate high traffic keywords that are relevant to your product. And after that, all you got to do is incorporate the keywords into your product titles, bullet points, and descriptions. Previously, I've also discussed about how to use ChatGPT to convert these keywords into meaningful product descriptions and add them to your Amazon listings. So make sure you also watch that video later on. High quality product images and visuals play crucial roles in attracting customers and conveying the quality of your product. You have to make sure that you capture high quality product images, including lighting and angles and composition. Majority of the times, these images are provided by the suppliers themselves. One of the most important things that I always talk about is compelling product descriptions. A well-written and persuasive product description can make a significant impact on your conversion rates. You can use your copywriting techniques or use ChatGPT to craft compelling product descriptions that highlight features, benefits, and unique selling points of your products. Make sure you follow the Amazon's A+ content listings and follow the formatting using bullet points and incorporating customer reviews to build trust and credibility of your product. Alright, now it's finally time to launch your product and start generating sales. So once you have successfully listed your product on Amazon, You can either use social media or use Amazon's in-house advertising platform, the Amazon's PPC advertising, which also stands for pay-per-click advertising. This is a really powerful tool to increase your product's visibility and drive targeted traffic to your listings. To get the best results of the Amazon PPC, you can set up an ad campaign, manage it, and optimize your ad performance. And you can do so by keyword targeting, bid management, and A/B testing to ensure you're getting the most out of your advertising budget. The other way you can promote your products is by social media. Social media platforms provide excellent opportunities to build brand awareness and engage with your target audience. You can also leverage Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube to drive traffic into your Amazon listings and boost your sales. Congratulations! You have successfully launched your product and started generating sales. Now it's time to scale your Amazon FBA business and take it to the next level. One of the most important aspects of your e-commerce business is the inventory management. Efficient inventory management is crucial for maintaining a steady supply of products and avoiding stockouts. You could use inventory forecasting, reorder points, and strategies to manage your inventory effectively. So now it's time to talk about diversification. Diversifying your product offerings can help you tap into new markets and increase your revenue. Expanding your product line will come with experience in product research, sourcing, and optimizing your listings. You can also launch complementary products and leverage cross-promotion to maximize customer retention and increase your sales. One of the most important things that I always keep in mind is brand building and customer loyalty. Building a strong brand and fostering customer loyalty are essential for long-term success on Amazon. The Amazon marketplace is constantly evolving, and staying ahead of the competition requires continuous optimization and adaptation. In this section, I'll talk to you about monitoring your performance metrics, staying updated with Amazon's policies, and adapting your strategies to changes in the marketplace. So first thing I'll talk about is performance metrics and data analysis. Monitoring your key performance metrics is crucial for identifying areas of improvement and making data-driven decisions. Important metrics like sales velocity, conversion rates, and customer feedback provides insights on how to interpret and leverage this data to optimize your business. You can use tools like Seller Central and Amazon's business reports to track and analyze your performance effectively. Adapting to Amazon's policies and trends. Amazon's policies and algorithms can change frequently, and it's essential to stay informed and adapt your strategies accordingly. Common policy updates and algorithm changes happens all the time, and trends in the Amazon marketplace require strategies to mitigate any potential negative impacts. And there you have it, guys, the ultimate guide to Amazon FBA selling. I've covered everything from finding a profitable product to launching, promoting, and scaling your business. Remember, building a successful Amazon FBA business takes time, effort, and continuous learning. If you found this video helpful and insightful, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to this channel to stay up to date with the Amazon and e-commerce world. Best of luck on your new Amazon FBA journey. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.